Do you think that only leaders and influencers can get massive Facebook engagement? Guess what? You can do it too, and it doesn't matter if you are a beginner. Anyone can do it if they follow. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs and business owners. Some entrepreneurs say that engagement isn't important, but let me tell you why they are wrong. Facebook engagements or social media engagement in general means traffic. And you can't have a business without traffic, right? The more eyeballs you have on your posts and videos, the more chances you have to make a sale. Without further ado, let's dive into our first tip, which is to share your story. It can be your story or someone else's story. If you look at some of the leaders and influencers, what do you see most on their social media profile? Stories, right? They are talking about their past, how they struggle, and what they did to achieve massive success. I know what you're thinking right now, but I am not successful yet. How can I tell a good story? You don't need to have a lot of success to show off how well you are doing. Start talking about why you decided to work on your business, how your mindset changed, why you value your time so much, or you could be sharing someone else's story that inspired you to take action. It's all about the small steps you take and showing others that you are not afraid to take risks, because everyone loves risk takers, because everyone wants to be one. So take the next step and inspire people to do and achieve more. When I just started my coaching business, obviously I had 0 testimonials and no success yet. So instead of sharing my success story, which I didn't have back then, I would share why I left my 9-to-5 job, why did I become a coach, and how I failed in my business back then. Posting content on your Facebook page is extremely important. If you can't get this right, you are going to repel customers instead of attracting them. Content strategy is something I coach in depth in my program called Passionpreneur Academy. In PPA, we're going to work together to bring you from a total beginner all the way to phase 7. We have 7 phases in total designed to help you build a foundation on Facebook marketing and help you to get leads into your business. If you would love to make a difference in your life and learn more, then click the link in my comment section down below to join my free 90 minutes training. Moving on to the second tip. Ask open-ended questions. An open-ended question is a question that cannot be answered with a yes or a no response or a static response. Open-ended questions are phrased as a statement that requires a response. For instance, a closed-ended question can be, would you like to get more leads? You're going to reply me either with a yes or a no. An open-ended question would be, why do you want to get more leads? You have to answer this with a phrase rather than a yes or a no. The reason why you want to ask an open-ended question is because you will get to know your audience more as well as receiving more engagement. Because like I was saying in the beginning of this video, engagement equals traffic. I will also suggest you to ask a bit of closed-ended questions sometimes just to mix it up. Third, give value and over-deliver. That always boosts Facebook engagement. Ask yourself these 2 really important questions. Why should people follow me? And why do I bring to the table? If you don't know how to answer this, I suggest you to figure it out. You can't succeed if you don't give value. No one is going to follow you if you are not helping them. So change your social media strategy, start giving massive amount of values, and always over-deliver. This way, you will turn followers into fans. You will also build trust and a better connection with them. When you achieve that, they will engage with you more for sure. For more details about 80-20 content strategy, you may check out this video here after watching this, or click the link in the comment section down below to join my free 90 minutes training. The next tip is use emoji and create paragraphs. Yes, it's called Facebook. But not because people want to read posts that are as long as books. If you are creating long, boring posts, no one is going to engage with you. That's why we have emojis to bring a pop of colors. We are used to colorful worlds, so don't try to reinvent the wheel and just add some emojis. And because your audience can't see your face and they don't know what kind of expression you have on it, emojis help to explain the emotions. Also, don't forget to space out your posts by creating paragraphs. It's easier to read a post that has some spaces in between and it's not just a big chunk of words. You will notice that whenever you write a post on Facebook like this, the spaces in between each sentence start to go crazy. So in order to space out your post, you can use a line breaker by simply Googling line break Facebook. Notice that I will bold the title too. And how do you do that? Google Lingo Jam. A great tip to boost your Facebook engagement is to mention your followers' names by tagging them. Your social media engagement will guarantee to skyrocket. It's always nice to show how grateful you are for the followers who are always engaging with you. So once in a whole, create a post thanking them for their love and support, and don't forget to tag them. You'll make them feel great about themselves and they will engage with you even more. You could also give them a free call or something like this. This will encourage other followers to engage with you even more. I hope that these tips are helpful for you. I do a lot more content about social media marketing strategy, so be sure to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!